So we're down here in Eltham in southeast London. This is another project we've just completed. So what we did on this project was brick cleaned all of the brickwork back to its natural colour. It used to look like this house next door, so we cleaned all of the brickwork, cut out and replaced all of the damaged bricks with matching imperial bricks, and then we've tuck pointed all of the brickwork on the front of the property, obviously in a natural lime mortar. What else we've done on this property was we removed all of the paint from all of the stonework on the front of the property, and then we've taken it all back to natural stone. Just going to give you a little close-up of how that all looks. So it complements the tuck pointing really well. So as you can see, all of the hand carved details we've exposed on all of the original stone. I'm just going to zoom in and show you how good all that looks. So as you can see, absolutely beautiful finish to the stonework. Once again, all of the capitals, I mean, look at all of the detail we've carved back in them capitals, all of the moulded work all around the windows. Once again, all of the corbels, perfect. We've also done a whole new roof on the front of this house. The roofers have just finished. Also coming back now just to fit a nice new step, a nice new stone step on the front door here. Put a nice new period air vent. We've also put a new plinth on the base of the property as well, with some period air vents to finish that off, so that'll replicate all the way going through there. But as you can see, once again, this project looks absolutely faultless, first class finish as always. So if you like the look of this project and you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, give us a call, get in contact, and we'll be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries that you do have. Thank you very much.